Hi everyone, welcome to Cryptalk. We've had a really exciting week, and today I'm going to be covering some of the crazy price action that we've been witnessing over the last few days. I'm also going to be talking about Binance launching their fiat to crypto over-the-counter trading, and that is with the Chinese Yuan. We've got more monetary policy and printing of cash. This time it's in Argentina, so I'm going to look at that. And I'll wrap up by looking at IOTA's new decentralized and completely autonomous marketplace. So in terms of price, the crypto market, it really did have a fairly boring start to the week. The price of Bitcoin was just trading in a really tight margin. There was so much sideways action, really not much to look at. And of course, alts, they've been boring now for months. So no one was really even looking at the alts until about 3 days ago, where they just took off out of the blue, particularly Ethereum and XRP. They've really been leading the charge. XRP, I know, was up about 16% 2 days ago. So yeah, is this the start of the altcoin season? That's what everybody wants to know. Can they keep up this momentum? I know a lot of people are trying to recover some money they've lost in the alts, or even just, recover, get back to where they bought in at, and finally try and see some profit. There were some people who made some crazy money back in 2017 in the altcoin rally. So people are wanting to know, is this going to be a repeat of 2017? Unfortunately, there hasn't been any new money coming into the market. It looks like it has been more of a Bitcoin sell-off. And yesterday, there was a massive red candle that formed for Bitcoin. It plummeted by $500 within a matter of minutes. It broke through quite a few key resistance levels, where it got right down to 9,600, bounced straight back up. And this morning when I woke up, it was at 10,200 again. So that's in the course of 24 hours. It's typical Bitcoin, typical cryptocurrency. It's a bit all over the place. So finally, it's exciting to watch again. We've got the upcoming launch of BAT, hopefully on Monday. And we've got some pretty crazy technical analysis happening. So all eyes really are going to be on price over the next few days, just to see which way the market is going to go. Hopefully it's up. So Binance have announced their new over-the-counter on-ramp, which is scheduled to launch next month. And unfortunately, this will only be open to the Chinese market. So it's really positive news for Binance, as their existing over-the-counter trading provided a huge surge in trading upon opening, and they had a reported profit of $80 million. And since the Chinese banned crypto, it was actually 2 years ago now, it was September 2017, OTC trades have really been the key and the most popular way for Chinese to be buying Bitcoin. It's allowing Chinese to buy stable coins like Tether and then trade out into other cryptos. So Binance should continue to see some huge profits from this announcement and from the launch next month. So with Argentina's central bank, they have announced a 5% increase in their cash supply, and that's over the next 2 months. In the same meeting that they've just had, the decision was also made to lower the limit for the interest rate of liquidity letters, and that's from the current 58% to 78%, and then next month's rate is set at 68%. They've also announced further interest rate cuts as well, and the Committee for Monetary Policy stated that the move is meant to ensure monetary and financial stability. I don't think that that thought is really echoed. I think the general public are really just seeing this as a way for the central bank to line their pockets. And what's interesting is the Argentine peso saw a really sharp decline last month and a huge devaluation last month. And in that same month, the reported trading of cryptocurrency increased in Argentina by 4%. So it's really just another case of monetary policy really contributing to the downfall of the traditional fiat system and forcing people just to seek alternative investment strategies, such as putting their money into cryptocurrency. So yeah, more monetary policy, more stimulus. So yeah, it's just another country, more printing of money sort of on a weekly basis at the moment. And finally, in news today, and this one really is exciting news, the IOTA Foundation has released a platform enabling the world's very first decentralized and completely autonomous virtual marketplace. So the aim is to accelerate industrial automation and commercial machine interaction. And they're going to be providing an industry-neutral platform that automates the trade of physical and digital goods and services. So the new industry marketplace is aiming to facilitate a secure interaction and payment platform for the industrial ecosystem, whilst ensuring the authenticity of all of its participants. So it's a really exciting project just to keep up to date with, and it's another example of blockchain technology revolutionizing yet another industry and really contributing to free markets. So I hope you've really enjoyed today's video, just looking at what's been happening in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain this week. And I hope you have a fantastic weekend as well. Thanks for watching.